How can I troubleshoot my Comcast remote that is not changing channels?
Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to talk about a common issue many people face, a Comcast remote that is not changing channels. No need to worry, though. We have you covered with a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot your Comcast remote. We're going to walk through each step to help get your remote back up and running.
Is your remote powered?
The first thing we need to check is whether the remote has enough power. To do this, simply, 1. Press any button on the remote. You should see a small LED light up. If it doesn't, or if it's dim, this could indicate your batteries are low. 2. Replace the batteries in your Comcast remote. Ensure they are installed correctly according to the battery compartment's diagram.
Is your remote paired with the cable box?
The next step in our troubleshooting process is to verify if your remote is properly paired with the cable box. 1. Press the Setup button on your remote until the LED at the top changes from red to green. 2. Enter 981 on the numeric keypad. The LED will blink green twice. This process will unpair your remote. 3. Now, to repair the remote, press Setup again until the LED changes from red to green. 4. Enter 975 on the numeric keypad. The LED will blink green twice, indicating that your remote is now repaired with your cable box.
Is the remote's firmware up to date?
At times, an outdated firmware version can cause your remote to malfunction. 1. Press the A button on your remote. This will open the Help menu. 2. Navigate to Remote Setup using the arrow keys, then press OK. 3. If there is an update available, there will be a prompt to Update Firmware. Select this option and press OK.
Resetting your remote.
If all else fails, resetting your remote to its factory settings might solve the issue. 1. Press the Setup button until the LED light turns from red to green. 2. Enter 987 on the numeric keypad. The LED will blink green twice, indicating the remote has been reset. That concludes our troubleshooting guide for your Comcast remote. Hopefully, these steps help you to regain control over your TV channels. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions, like checking for power, can be the most effective. If you're still having trouble after following these steps, you may need to contact Comcast customer service for further assistance. We hope you found this video helpful, and happy channel surfing!